Belonging to Etoa has been a very important part of us keeping in touch with the rest of the world during especially this pandemic. It was beforehand. It was interesting and essential for us to see how our peers were doing, how the market is moving, what kind of developments were taking place that we should really keep an eye on so that we don't get left behind. And also it's a way of brainstorming, and that has been taking place in the past whenever we've attended some of the live events, as well as talks to people that we deal with, particularly for our area in Etoa. But now, since the pandemic started and all the lockdowns, it has been almost a lifebuoy in a way to try and make sure that you don't feel as isolated, and as well as obtaining information on how the market and procedures and governments are dealing with the pandemic, and how we as an industry and as a group of people and professionals can get together to lobby and to make our ideas and our needs being heard. And the platform of Etoa and its executive board and all its members, we found to be incredibly useful in this period, and certainly something that we look forward to attending the webinars, the information it obtains for us, as well as the number of professionals that are actually involved from different parts of the industry and segments all over the world. So it's certainly something I would recommend to everybody.